Hi, Shelley here. Thanks for joining us. In this little video, we're going to take a look at how to create sections and then how to use those sections in order to differentiate instruction. So first, I'm going to start out going to my settings menu on the left menu. And you can see up here at the top that there are different tabs. I am clicked onto the Sections tab. As you can see in this course, so far we only have one section, and that's just the generic section that is created when a course is created. So what I'm going to do is go in and add two new sections. So I'm going to call one my purple section, and then I'm going to call one my green section. Or you could name them groups if you wanted purple group, green group. Okay, I've got my sections created. It's as easy as that. If you ever want to go back and rename them, you can simply click the edit button and you can rename those. So maybe I wanted to call this one a group instead of a section, and done. So the next step to add users to your section, you have to do this in the People tab. So I'm going to go to the People tab. And you can see I have some pretend students in this class. And I'm going to add each one of these students to either my purple group or my green group. So I'm going to go into Edit Sections. I'm going to add this student to my purple group. I'm going to add Michael Jackson into my green group. Okay, now as you can see, each of the students is added to a section, either the purple group or the green group. They are still also in the main section. So that's important because you want to be able to assign things to the whole group, or you want to be able to assign things to these smaller groups. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go to my Assignments tab and just show you, I'm going to pick some assignments. I've got two set up. I've got a purple assignment and a green assignment. So the reason that you might want to use this is maybe I have people in one of the groups that needs a little extra practice with this. Maybe they don't quite understand the concept yet, and maybe people in the other group already understand the concept and need an extension. So I've got a green assignment and a purple assignment in order to differentiate that. You can also go back to the People tab at any time and switch the groups. You can reassign them to the other group. So if a student shows progress and needs to be assigned to the extension group, you can change them at any time. So I'm going to go into my green group first. And I just named them that so I can remember which one is which. You can name them however you want to. I'm going to go into Edit. And then what I'm going to do is down here at the bottom where it says Assign to Everyone, I am instead going to assign this to the green section. So I'm going to click Green section, Save. And notice it's telling me not all sections will be assigned, so not all students will see this, which is exactly what I want. I don't want all students to see this. And now I'm going to go to the purple assignment, and I'm going to edit that, and I'm going to assign that to the purple group. Now, all students have an assignment. They just have different assignments from one another. So I'm going to click purple group, Save, and now I'm all done. Now, all the students have an assignment, but they all have different assignments. So this is a really great way to differentiate instruction within Canvas. You can use this on anything that you can assign to students. So you can use it on a quiz, an assignment, discussion boards, anything that is an assignment you can use for them.